Hi, it's Kiri. Today we're looking at two vehicles. On the left is the green tractor. It's a John Deere tractor, 132 scale. And on the right we'll look at the jungle car later. This is really nice. It's die cast metal with plastic parts. It's quite heavy. And here's some information. The top cabin comes off. You can add things onto the back there and even adjust the mirrors. Let's take a closer look. It comes well packaged, and I ordered this in the mail and there was no problem. Really nice tyres, lots of good detail, even the lights there. And the mirrors adjust there as well. Can you tell me how many wild animals in today's video? Let's see how it runs. I'm going to take the top cabin off. To put it back, it just fits into those little holes either side of the tractor. I need a driver, he's not going to fit. Maybe this little guy. He's from my Jurassic World gyrosphere. Perfect fit. For more fun videos, please remember to subscribe. Thank you. All my other models are going to be too big. George Pig. Yes, if George stands up, he can drive as well. Let's pop it back together again. Just line that up there and pop in. You can hear it click. This is the Papo Jungle Car. It comes with a driver. It has lots of great detail. This car is mainly plastic and it's a lot lighter. I like the safari colours, it looks good. And there's our driver. Yes, the door's open. And there's a tailgate. You can also remove that roof. Just give it a squeeze to remove the roof. There's lots of room in the back now. I have another driver the same, they're twins, I don't need to try him out. I'm interested to know, no, they're going to be too small, aren't they? Maybe this guy. I know they won't work because they won't bend. We've got my Lego Fire Chief. I think he might fit. Uh-oh, that's a problem. That's good. So I know my other Lego characters will fit. And this guy's from my Bigfoot playset. I think he might be just a fraction too big. Yes. Don't forget your hat. Let's take it for a test drive. Oh, we've got passengers. I'm just wondering if he'll fit on my quad bike. Whoa! I'm wondering what else might fit in the back. Wow, a tiger! And a lion. Remember to tell me how many wild animals in today's video. I don't have a trailer yet. I'm going to try and tow the tractor. If I go carefully, that works. Thank you for watching Super Fun Reviews. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Two really nice vehicles. To subscribe, click on the colourful Super Fun Reviews button. To watch any of the videos, just click on the one you like. Thanks once again.